Today I'm at Nivenhill. Today's date is the 18th of August, the year 2021. So I got a message from George Rome saying they were combining, and conditions are certainly better this year, and it looks a better crop this year as well. So it's David Johnson more than likely that's in the combine. We've already got some bales round the end rig there so they don't run over the top of it. So it's one of those days that it could get stopped any time. There is showers around us, so I'll actually see if it's David or George himself that's combining. I used to work with two, and they've got this new one which is probably around 25 years of age or older. Maybe this will be its third season. It's always nice to see the older combines. Ferguson 27. So I have filmed it a few times, but it's always nice to come back in different years, different conditions. It's actually George himself that's on it. Quite often it's David Johnson from along the road there. So I thought it came to the right side. It's going to empty the tank for the wind, but I'm not so sure. Have to wait and see. That looks a really reasonable crop of barley. That's certainly George Rome himself. Managed to miss the trailer, which is good. At least you haven't got Jeremy Clarkson running alongside and all the grain going over the front. I've actually watched Jeremy Clarkson there on Amazon Prime TV. At my sister, for me, I haven't actually watched Amazon Prime. Looking for a break. You know, the tram line going like that. There he goes. Anyway, had the car in the right position. Didn't get any barley ants in the eyes, which has happened before. So Bengal, I got a word from them yesterday. They were combining up near Lockerbie. So I'll have a look at my phone to see they have given me a message to say that they're actually combining today. I'm just looking over towards Lockerbie, and the skies look A-OK. If I'm looking the right way anyway, we'll just have to wait and see. So I might try the drone up when he's coming back down there. It's windy, but not too windy if I don't fly the drone too far away.